middle of summer in the early morning. So I'm Dr. Kenshin Shimada. I'm an advisor of Dr. But eventually to be a doctor, hopefully, Jake would. So just to give a brief background of him. Jake received his DS in marine biology from University of California, San Diego, in June of 2021. And he joined the pole in my lab immediately after that, after that. And the interesting thing is that, so the kind of backstory, when I reviewed his application, and there was this one person who is a fairly well-known fishery scientist, and when I read her recommendation letter, I felt that it would be a crime not to accept him. It was that strong of a letter, and I'm very, very pleased to have him. But anyway, so he joined, and what happened was because I already knew that he had a strong, keen interest in doing research in shark science. I had this undergraduate project that kind of fell apart because of COVID hit, and all the undergraduates kind of left. So he was able to pick up and finish up his, he actually started to do his research while he was still in California between, he was accepted and coming to DePaul. But anyway, so after he came to DePaul, he served as a graduate teaching assistant. He taught a number of courses, all the general biology sequence, 1, 2, and 3, microinvertebrate anatomy, as well as human anatomy, and the brain, biology, and behavior. And today's talk is something somewhat related to that the topic. So as I said, he did some research before even arriving here, and that resulted in a publication in a transaction of the Kansas Academy of Science, and he has under a peer-reviewed publication with me in publishing historical biology. He was very productive during his time here. He presented, besides that 2 publications, he presented a total of 7 oral or poster presentations at the scientific conferences outside of DePaul, including the joint meeting of ichthyologists and herpetologists. He had twice there. Midwest Ecology and Evolution Conference twice. Annual meeting was cited vertebrate paleontology. That was 2 posters or 2 presentations because he had one, he had a co-author work with me, but that was in a virtual format, but nevertheless he had a presentation there. And one of the most recent ones was a paleontological virtual conference that he also participated. That was an international conference. He has been very active. When he was in California still, he was working with the National Oceanographic and Administration. He worked as a research assistant, essentially gutting caught fish, looking at the stomach contents of the fish. He also worked with the California Collaborative Fisheries Research Program, and he also essentially catch and release survey that he participated in. Also, last summer, he had a chance to join the NOAA's troll survey program, and he was able to actually look at the sexual maturity of the stocked or target fish stock, and also tasked to remove the otoliths, which is a kind of hard calcified tissue that's in the back of the head. And that will tell the growth pattern and so forth. So he was involved in that. He is an avid diver. He is a scuba instructor certified, dive master, and rescue diving certified, and also he's certified as an emergency first responder instructor. So I feel quite safe. So anyway, he has been affiliated with American Society of Ichthyologists and Herpetologists, American Elephant Society, and are you still a member of SVP? Not yet.
Not yet.
Well, he once was a member of the Society of Paleontology. So with that said, I'm going to hand this talk to him. So take it away.